Hello viewers, welcome to yet another episode of our YouTube tutorial videos. So in this tutorial video today, I'm going to take you through how we can play along with the sun shading option so that we can be able to customize our drawing based on the different shadows that dictate the time of the day or even the month of a particular season. So if you wish to proceed with us, I will ask you kindly to subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you may not miss any of our upcoming tutorial videos that we'll be putting up in this platform. So to begin us off, we have a SketchUp design here that I'm working on. So the next thing that I'll do is to proceed to the default tray where I'll locate the shadows drop down menu. So I'll click on it, then I will locate check the use sun for shading button, then it will be activated. You'll already see that the design is already customizing or really brightening up just to ensure that the entire design is up for customization according to the shadows. So I can come and select the time zone that I want. So I can say UTC +3. Then from there I'll just come and play along with the time. So you can have it as let me have it as morning. You can see already the design is brightening up. When I come to the evening, it is some darkness, so let me maintain it at 740. Then I can decide and choose the month of June for summer. Then I can also, that is the date, so I can choose light. Let me have it as 70, already say 80. Have it as 80, and then darkness, let me reduce it to say 40. Yeah, so with that you will see that our design is a bit darkening. Once we increase the light to 80, you'll also see it lightening up. Yeah, so that tells you that it is being brightened up for this because there's a lot of sunlight that is reflecting on that particular design. So thank you for your time with us. Please remember to share, like, and even comment on the video, and see you in the next tutorial video. Thank you.